Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making fruit salad. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below, and check my other channel. It's on a little bit of a hiatus right now. I'll upload something soon. To start this recipe off, you're going to quarter and pit 4 medium ripe apricots. I did not realize it said 4, I did 6. Honestly, I'd recommend doing more. Now, in a medium saucepan, you're going to grab half a vanilla bean and you're going to scrape it out and put both the pod and the seeds in there. You're going to add your apricot pits. Then you're going to add a cup of water, a cup of dry white wine, and half a cup of granulated sugar. And then you're going to bring that up to a simmer in about 5 to 8 minutes. And then you're going to add the apricots and continue to simmer for 4 to 7 minutes. And then you're going to remove the apricots, bring it up to a boil, and then until reduced by about half, so about 10 minutes. Then you're going to remove the pits, pour the syrup over the apricots, let slightly cool at room temperature, transfer it to the fridge to chill completely. Now, time to cut up the melons. So you're going to start off by cutting up 6 cups of 1-inch watermelon cubes, and you're going to put them into a large bowl. Then you want 4 cups of ripe honeydew balls. So you are going to cut the honeydew in half, you're going to scoop out the seeds, and you're going to grab a melon baller, and you're going to ball the melon. And then in that bowl, you're going to add 8 ounces of blueberries. And you're going to garnish it with fresh mint. And when it's all in the bowl, you're going, not the mint, unless you want to put the mint in. I just mix the mint in general. You're going to take about half a cup of the syrup out of the apricots. Well, you're going to add the apricots in. But you're also gonna just add about half a cup of syrup, and then you're going to drizzle more over. Technically, you're supposed to put it on a platter and like make it all pretty and nice, but I just put it on a bowl because it's a salad. This is very good. I will stand by the fact that honeydew is better than watermelon, though. I know everyone's like, "Oh, honeydew is boring." Honeydew is not boring. It is delicious. If anyone says whoever says honeydew is boring, I'm sorry, can't be friends. Very delicious though. You also get the vanilla syrup. And I've not opened it since I made this, but it's currently in my fridge and just continuing to, I'm assuming, seep more vanilla into that syrup. So it's going to be delicious when I put it on something. Highly recommend though. Would make again. I'll probably eat some right after this because there's still leftovers. 9 out of 10, 8.5, 9 out of 10. One of those two.